We got living out there.
There's the snap. Quarterback keep coming around the right side.
Go at, go at, go at.
Vasquez pursues,
Go at.
grabs him. 6 seconds remaining in the half. Coming around the left side, looking for some room, and he's wrapped up. There's the snap. Throws the ball deep downfield. First down. Sharks out of the shotgun. There's the snap. Coming around the right side, trying to follow some. Williams back into the shotgun. There's the snap. Rolls out to his right. He's under pressure. Throws the ball. 3rd and 12 for the Sharks. Williams out of the shotgun.
He jumped offside over there.
Williams under pressure in the
Get that ball! Get that fucking ball!
Loose.
He threw the ball down.
They're set to punt. Williams.
That's touchdown, man. That's touchdown. That's touchdown, man.
Taking inside the
That's touchdown, man. That's touchdown, man. Don't touch nobody. Don't touch nobody. Don't touch nobody.
20-10, and the Hurricanes will return that. Hurricanes to the line, 3 men wide to the left, quarterback rolling out to his left, throws the ball into the end zone for the Hurricanes. Deep kick inside the 20, picked up there at the 10-yard line. Sharks setting up their offense.
Come on, Scott, come on. They're trying to get wide.
Man in motion, there's the snap. Vasquez with the keep, coming around the left side. Vasquez keeping the ball.
Go, 1, go, V3.
And off draw up the middle of the field, kicking around to the right side.
Hey, no, move down. Let's go, Get it, play. Get it in, Corey. Let's go, man.
Ked gets the snap, hands off, coming around the left side. Breaks a tackle. Back out of the shotgun, handoff, jet sweep, coming around the right
Touchdown.
side.
Oh, Talib.
Up and over and in for Hurricanes. Or the conversion try, out of the shotgun, passes the ball. There's the snap, throws the ball across the middle of the field. Vasquez with the catch at the 40.
Look at Scott.
Oh, Talib.
Out of the shotgun, Dotson launches the ball. Set up to pass the ball. Dotson flings it over. Catch is made. Hurricanes out of the wishbone formation. Handoff coming around the left side. Following his blockers. A 13-yard run. Handoff up to the right side. Wrapped up good. Real White carrier on the last play. Hurricanes around the right side across the 30. Pulled out. Out of the shotgun, man in motion. There's the handoff to White, coming around the left side. He's wrapped up in the backfield. The Hurricanes. Out of the shotgun, man in motion. Handoff.
That's touchdown.
The middle of the field.
To win.
E3 Vasquez with a gain of 11 on the last play. Quarterback rolling out, looking to pass, tucks the ball in. There's the snap, sweep it coming around the right side. He's wrapped up in the... Dotson with a handoff, running back. Dotson rolling out to the left side, stiff arming a defender.
There you go, MJ. There you go, MJ.
This way, they coming your way, MJ.
Quick handoff to the fullback.
Coming to you, Paul.
Out of the shotgun on first down. Quarterback drops back under pressure, breaks out
Yeah.
from the 27-yard line. Out of the shotgun. Number 2 getting the snap.
Go, MJ.
Right into him.
Williams. Dotson returns to the game for the Sharks. Out of the shotgun on third down. High snap. Dotson under pressure. Wings the ball out to the right side. Trying to get some running room. He's swarmed up. Out of the shotgun. There's the snap. Handoff to the tailback. Into the middle of the field. Run for the Hurricanes.
He just said it, Superman.
Gain of only 1 brings up a 2nd and 9. Back out of the shotgun. There's the snap. Passes the ball downfield to an open receiver. And he's dropped.
Don't jump offside. Watch the ball.
Dotson up under center. There's the snap. Handoff to the left side.
Fumble.
There's the
Now
snap.
you're going to run.
If you see it, go, MJ. If you see it.
Out of the shotgun.
Yes. Oh, come on.
Quarterback keeps it.
God
Kicks out to
damn
the
it.
left side. Gets a block. Vasquez back in. High snap. Runs around to the right side. Cuts back into the middle of the field. Pushing and dropping. Vasquez again with the carry. Sharks out of the shotgun on a 2nd and 10. Williams with the snap. Cut back into the middle of the field. Spinning.
Oh, yeah.
Snap over the quarterback's head. Picks it up on the run.
Coming this way.
There's the snap. End
Oh,
around.
yeah.
J-Rob.
There's the snap.
Tyleek, how you let him
Vasquez
get away?
keeping the ball. Getting to the left corner. And he is running. There's the snap. Sweeping running back. Catches the snap.
Offense,
in the
offense.